On December 10, 2021, tornadoes ripped through western Kentucky for 165 miles, leaving a path of destruction and loss of 77 lives. That morning, the thoroughbred industry here in Kentucky went to work and began raising funds to help contribute to the aftermath and long-term rebuilding of these communities. Today, the judge executives of both Marshall and Fulton counties, Kevin Neal and Jim Martin, along with Tony Watkins from the Community Foundation of West Kentucky, are here to receive $100,000 each from Marshall and Fulton counties for long-term recovery efforts. We are pleased to be joined as well by Representatives Chris Freeland from Benton, Richard Heath from Mayfield, Myron Dossett from Pembroke, Samara Hevren from Litchfield, Susan Westrom from Lexington, House Majority Leader Stephen Rudy from Paducah, Senator Jason Howell from Murray, and Representatives Matt Cook and Representative Adam Koenig and Speaker of the House David Osborne. The thoroughbred industry raised $524,000 via 320 individuals, farms, racing stables, and businesses. In the Commonwealth, 60,000 Kentuckians across the Commonwealth have an economic impact of more than $6 billion. For over 200 years, Kentucky has been very good for our industry. And when the time was right, our industry was in turn good for Kentucky. Ladies and gentlemen, it is our pleasure to present the checks for $100,000 each to Marshall and Fulton counties to the judge executives Kevin Neal and Jim Martin, joined by Tony Watkins from the Community Foundation of West Kentucky. Thank you all. Thank you, Chauncey. Thank you all the members of the KTA and KTOB for joining us here at Fasig-Tipton today. That does conclude the first session of the 2022 Kentucky Winter Mix Sale. We'll be back on hand for hip numbers 301 through 606 to conclude, 607, to conclude the catalog tomorrow. We'll be back here with Joseph and the rest of the gang. Thank you, everyone. Drive safe, and we'll see you back here 10 o'clock sharp for tomorrow's start time. Thank you.